It's marked down instead of marked up.
Okay, so I'll tell you what, who's had a very, very good day all round is this boy. Sean Stewart.
Shotgun.
Sean Stewart in the Starlet has been good all day. So all he's got to do is maintain his consistency, and he should be there or thereabouts. And away you go. Absolutely, another stellar performance of Sean Stewart. You're right, Anton, both bags off well, but there's a lot of time limit. Did he stay clean down on there when he came back up the tip in there? I'm not sure.
I can't
He
tell
did.
from here.
I've got the thumbs up. It looks like he had a clean run. Sean Stewart. Everyone's stepping up, Anton. Is this not what living's all about? RAPANATS top 10 action.